Yeah.
You guys are so cute.
It was, what
cold
was it,
was
20
that?
degrees outside? It was
cold was it?
freezing, and the rain wasn't cold. The rain wasn't warm.
I love that little frolic that you did there.
Little skip.
Yeah.
And this
that's
last
sexy.
take, we're just sitting there kissing, making out, and we're like, is somebody saying cut and we just can't hear them? What is going on?
But what did you just say, Antwon?
That was sexy.
Yeah.
I ain't going front. That was kind of sexy.
That was
But isn't it?
That was James's last scene, by the way. I just
It
want to point
was
out.
James's
yeah.
last scene, that's right.